On this episode of Cooking with Wrenches, we're going to make the old favorite chocolate chip cookies. This recipe calls for 2 sticks of butter, we'll get that creamed up. Then 1/2 cup of sugar, white sugar. And a whole cup of brown sugar. Again, cream it up. I have read that if you, the more creamy and whipped your sugar and butter is, the lighter your cookies are going to be. We'll see. Okay, to this we add 2 eggs. And while we're going to mix this up, I'm going to get the dry ingredients. Okay, our dry ingredients are 2.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, about enough, and we'll whisk those together while this is running over here. After the eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, we got that mixed up. Now we're going to add our flour. The flour, the baking soda, and salt. Yeah, that stuff. Got my mess going. I'm doing good. Just barely get this mixed. Okay, that's just barely mixed, so we're going to put our 2 cups of chocolate chips. I'm using milk chocolate. I think the more you work your dough, the less they'll rise, the tougher the cookie. We'll see. Okay, that looks pretty even. Next, onto the pan. Oh, hey, you got your oven preheating? 375. Give them a couple inches. Okay, around 8 minutes in a 375 oven, and we're going to have some chocolate chip cookies. Stay tuned. Okay, the timer just went off. Let's see what they look like. Them are looking pretty good. Again, let them cool on the cookie sheet for a little bit. Thank you for watching.